Hey, I'm Fish. I got something in my pocket, and yeah, let me tell you what it is. It's black, round, and pretty thick. Inside a case. Oh yeah, it's a macro close-up lens for the DJI Osmo Action 6. And yeah, it's hard to turn and twist. I'll talk more about it in the highlight of the video. But let's get going and show you the wintry wonderland of snow. Look how beautiful that is falling down. Well, it's not just fair to show the Action 5 Pro. So I showed the Insta360 Pro 2. The shot indeed. Now you have a choice to decide which camera will work best for you. In the wintry wonderland you choose. If it's summer, spring, fall, or winter. I didn't say it in order, but you get the idea. I just don't want to turn the camera towards me. I want to walk and show you the snow. I didn't want to bring the Insta360 X5 out because anything that goes on to the lens is a room shot, and that'd be the snow. The thing is, the Boya magic, it didn't work. Every single shot I did was ruined. It was and all you hear was static, and that's how Insta360 made that sound happen. Now, could it be a defect in Boya when it was plugged in? No. Could it be a defect with the Insta360 when plugged in? No. Just happened to be ruined audio. Now, I know to try it again in the house and give a test without it, with it, and then you could decide that any external mic. That's what Insta360 did. So, I got stuff ready. I started the snow blower in one shot. No, I had to prime it by pulling it a number of times. When I added the second amount of gas in, it started in one shot. And that's how things are. That's how Hondas are. They're a very trustworthy snowblower. I had the HS520 for so many years. I think I had it since 2002. Man, this snowblower is how many years old? 23 years plus old? And it's going strong. The snow is just sticking all over me. It's wet. All over the glasses. Could be on the camera. Well, we know we have a hydrophonic lens coating on the Ace Pro 2. Do we? I know it's on the Action 5 Pro. Now the thing is it on that new lens that you purchase? It's not waterproof, so you shouldn't use it in any type of rain, snow, or watery conditions. That's what it says on the product. You need to put it on, Fish, and show them. No, the label's right there. See that little yellow thing? That's what it says. Don't use it in water. It will ruin your camera. You know that Action 4 with that plastic low light ring? You could put that on this. It'll fit inside here perfectly. The threads are on the outside. If you modify it and glue it on there real solid, then you're able to screw that on. You notice how this has a orange and then it has the symbols over here? It's not easy to turn at first. It's hard to turn. So if you're thinking of sticking this on your Action 5 Pro or Action 4 and trying to adjust it, you're going to just turn the whole thing. This must be on solid to your camera. If it's not on solid to your camera, good luck, man. You're going to find it so difficult to turn. Now, you know how much this goes for? This goes for a lot of money. You want one? You want it for under $100? If you're in the US of A and you're close by, you want to pay for this? An offer? Sure, man. We can make out a deal. I personally got no use for a macro lens on a wide angle 155-degree camera. It's a gimmick. It's a gadget. It's a joke for me, in my eyes. Why did I get it? I blame you. I'm more or less... Why'd you say photo? Hard buttons. I'm more or less done with action cameras. I can't go any further than what it is today. And with the DJI Osmo Action 6 being on the market, that may or should have or could have come out in 2026 and correctly been put out to the market, would have been a great camera. So maybe I'll hold on to this for 2026 if DJI takes back the Action 6 and matures it with the first firmware correctly, than having everybody out there with grayware that they don't know about, that they got on the camera, because the next numbered firmware seems to be official when they say it. But when they give it out, they don't say it's official. They don't say it's grayware. They just say it's new firmware release. And what do? We all download it and use it. And they see our videos and they take our information. But in 2026, all this is going to change. Where's the snow? What are you plowing? There's nothing to plow on an empty street. He made a U-turn. No. They're out there doing a great job, don't get me wrong, but the thing is, there's no snow on the street and they just making sure it's all clean. Well, I am done. And that's the end of this year. And I wish you all a happy new year. Well, I'm going back. I'm going to get myself a nice cup of Joe. Joe's going to meet me. We're going to have a fun day today. I got business to take care of. And the business I shared with you. Please, don't get fooled again. You know that song. Out here in the fields, I fight for my meals. Don't cry. Don't give a reason why. It's only teenage wasteland. You don't waste it. Oh man, that song. That's my 80s songs, man. I love it. The Who. Oh yeah. And I just want to let you know, be careful who you see, who you watch, and what you share and what you show. DJI Osmo Action camera, it's an awesome camera, don't get me wrong. But today, you don't want to get a gimmick and be stuck with it. Just look around and you'll see.